welcome back to Norma's Beauty Corner. So I am back to do another video. This video is going to be a review of Pat McGrath's eyeshadow palette. This is the newest one, the most recent one I should say, on her website. This one is the Mothership 8 Divine Rose 2. So I'm going to be reviewing the packaging, the palette, show you some swatches, do a quick makeup look, and then give you my final thoughts on the palette itself. So if that interests you, then stick around. Alright, so on to the review. Alright, so first of all, this is actually my first large palette. All her other palettes that I've had, that I've purchased, are the mini ones. I've only had two. No, actually three. Yeah. 3 mini eyeshadow palettes. So with that, getting my feet wet with these mini palettes, I was ready to jump on board with this larger palette. And then yeah, so what really intrigued me is the rosy theme. It's just so pretty. I mean, roses, they're beautiful. Anyways, the packaging is gorgeous. Look at that. The lipstick, the eyeshadow, the roses, the packaging, her initials here embossed, the lettering. It's beautiful. Not sure if you can see the lettering on that, but this is very, very beautiful. And it comes tied in like this, so you can untie it. And I'll show you on the inside. Look how pretty that is. And let's take this out. And it's pretty heavy, guys. That's yeah, it's got some weight to it. It does come with an insert, so you get to see the colors here. So the colors are, let's see here, I don't think they're on the palette itself. Yeah, they're not. And that is why you need to keep this insert. Yeah, because they'll come with the names in here. And then a little bit of some additional information in the back. And you know what? Maybe what I'll do is I'll kind of put them this way so you guys can kind of see where I'm going to be showing you the colors. I'm moving from this side to here, here to here. So the very first one, this one is called Skin Show Rose Opal, Naked Blush, Eleganza, Bronze Rose 5, Gold Lust 1, Extreme Burgundy, Divine Dusk, Rose Seduction, VR Sex Terrestrial, Astral Pink Moon. Yeah. So looking at the palette, I mean, it's heavy. Yeah, it's got some nice weight to it, and the craftsmanship is very beautiful. Also, the glass itself sort of beveled. Yeah, because it's kind of goes down on some of the on the edges of the glass, so it's kind of beveled down. It's a very nice finish to the mirror. And the colors definitely look very, very vibrant, very nice. Alright, so we'll go into the swatches, and then I'll move into the quick makeup look, and then give you my final thoughts on the palette. Alright, the colors I'm going to be using, I'll be using this one as a transition color, this one here on the lid, and this one on the outer corner. Alright, so I am back with a completed look. I don't know if you've seen some of my other videos. I did try some of her other mini palettes, so I do kind of have some sort of feedback to them, which you know, I did kind of like them, and that's why I went into this bigger one. And I am not surprised with her formula. It is just beautiful. It's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. The pigmentation is, it's gorgeous. I mean, I can't say any more than that. It's just gorgeous. The formula blends in very softly. Her eyeshadows are just so soft and fluffy. It's like when you put them on, they just spread so nicely, evenly. I mean, at least that's my experience with this palette. It's just beautiful. Yeah, and I do like the color story. And as you saw, if you put Fix Plus on it, on those shimmers, they just really pop out. So I would highly suggest, if you like those type of colors to really pop, put some Fix Plus in there, or some kind of other setting spray or misting spray, and that will definitely help out. And I know these palettes are kind of pricey. I would highly suggest, if you're new to them, start off with the small mini palettes. Sign up for her newsletter. If you sign up for her newsletter, she will let you know when there's sales, and definitely take advantage of some of those sales. And at times she does offer like a 10% on top of those on sale, which, I mean, it's a bargain. Yeah, and that's kind of a way for you to kind of get your feet wet in these palettes, because they're pricey, but I can definitely see the price point to the quality. If you are an eyeshadow person who loves trying all kinds of palettes, I think you will definitely see some difference there in the quality. So yeah, I mean, I can just say that I really do love this eyeshadow palette. It's really nice. And would I recommend it? Yes. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and definitely, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until then, thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in a different video. Bye.